Thank you for joining me today. My name is Julie Peterson. I'm a physical therapist at Creighton Therapy and Wellness. Today I'm going to be discussing choosing your physical therapist. To begin with, there's a few considerations when selecting a physical therapist. Things such as your location, the word of mouth or the referral source, your insurance plan, which has in-network and out-of-network benefits. You may also question whether a physical therapist has board certifications or is specialty trained based on different diagnoses. And then also who delivers the physical therapy service. In regards to location, it may be apparent that you need something that's closer in proximity to your house or your place of employment. Sometimes physical therapists will recommend that you be seen once a week, while other conditions may require or recommend that you come in 2 or 3 times a week. With this in mind, you may want to consider how close it is to the physical therapist office for you to be able to make your appointments. Additionally, word of mouth referrals are important. We often recognize that physicians and or other healthcare providers will provide us with their recommendations for physical therapists. Keep in mind that your family or friends can also offer great recommendations on providers they have seen that have provided excellent and exceptional physical therapy service. Coworkers can also offer good recommendations as well. You also need to check with your insurance plan in regards to different physical therapy companies. Oftentimes, insurance has in-network benefits compared to out-of-network benefits. An in-network provider will be a provider that participates with your medical insurance, whereas an out-of-network provider does not participate with your medical insurance. Ultimately, the deductible, copay, or co-insurance dollar amounts may vary based on the provider's participation with your medical insurance. Be sure to ask the questions of the front office or the secretary at the physical therapy company as to whether or not your physical therapist participates with your medical insurance. Another area that can be very confusing in regards to physical therapists are specialties and certifications. It can almost appear that there's an alphabet soup behind one's name with all the letters designating licensure, degree, as well as board certifications. Inquire about what the different letters mean and what kind of specialty training, board certifications, or continuing education your provider has received. Board specialization requires a testing mechanism and is offered in a variety of different specialty areas such as women's health, orthopedics, pediatrics, and geriatrics, just to name a few. There are numerous other certifications out there that can be geared towards a particular treatment, such as dry needling or a manual therapy technique. All of these different specialties and certifications provide excellent indication of advanced practice for your physical therapist. Inquire about what skill set your physical therapist has. Another question or consideration when selecting a physical therapist is who is providing the service or the delivery of the physical therapy care. Within a physical therapy practice, it usually includes a physical therapist. Sometimes a physical therapist assistant will be present in the clinic. A physical therapist assistant has gone on and received didactic coursework at the college level in order to become a licensed physical therapist assistant. Whereas a technician or an aide is not didactic trained, but rather is on the job trained to perform certain tasks around the physical therapy clinic. A technician does not provide skilled physical therapy care. So who's right for you? I provided just a few tips to consider when calling a physical therapy office. Things like location, specialization and certifications, and even the delivery of service can all inform your decision of who you select to be your physical therapist. There's a lot of physical therapists out there to choose from, so select one that meets your needs for a better quality of life. This has been brought to you from Creighton Therapy and Wellness.